works. That's the creeper. Oi, don't hurt my villager. Is there another creeper? Yeah, yes. Okay, I'll just wait in the water now because there are too many creeper. One creeper's there, one creeper's there, and then one creeper's there should be, and then there's another one there. Oh, the parrot's gone. Creeper? Because of creeper? It's fine, we can get another parrot. Is it like both gone? Or is it just one?
It exploded right on top of the jukebox.
So it's like both?
Well, yeah.
Both? We can get another one. There's like, I think there is like the blue and yellow one. I think I saw.
They were just vibing.
How can the creeper go into that? Like, is it like inside of the building?
The building's still kind of open-aired.
Oh, so it drops there? No, it just came. Well, things happen.
They were just vibing, man. I was literally going to close it off too. At least they died not knowing what was happening. They were just vibing. They didn't see
Is it
what
like
was
on
behind.
the top of their head?
No, they were like vibing, and the creeper walked up behind us and went boom.
I guess the creeper from my side teleport there and boom there.
Give me motivation.
It's fine, we can get another bird, you know. Like, I saw a blue one somewhere. It's okay. It just means like, you know, more adventure. Every Zenlos is just more adventure. What happened there?
A hiccup of sadness.
I thought you cry. Just before you cry, I'm gonna cry for you, so you don't need to cry.
Yes, please cry. I'm in shock. I'm still in shock, man. I'm like, what the beam? All creepers will die. They are now my natural sworn enemy. I will kill all of them. They all do not deserve to live. I will kill them all. They will fall upon my blade. All creepers will die. I don't care. They took my family away. I am Biboo.
Yeah, kill all of the creeper, yes. Oh no. This guy is crying now.
I'm crying. Where is the sky? My parents. They were just vibing. They didn't deserve that, man. My parents. They didn't deserve that death. Dang it! All the creepers will die. Baby!
Well, well.